If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. If I could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless it's with you. I fell in love and made you a promise, though I'd never noticed how much you meant to you.
Cześć, tu Michał i Paulina. Jeśli podobała Wam się ta choreografia, to link do kursu krok po kroku znajduje się pod nagraniem. Oraz jeśli chcecie z nami potrenować na lekcjach indywidualnych, zapraszamy Was do Dance Book Academy w Warszawie.